This grand white stone mansion features ornate double doors, tall windows, and a wide staircase. Lush, manicured gardens and classical architecture create an opulent, serene atmosphere. Overlooking a calm ocean, this white seaside house boasts a wide porch with climbing vines. Lush green hedges and clean lines create a truly serene coastal aesthetic. This modern house features white siding, a wooden front door, and large windows beneath a peaked roof. Lush bushes and small trees invite you into bright spaces. A serene coastal landscape showcases a rectangular swimming pool surrounded by lush landscaping and trees. Comfortable outdoor seating and blooming white hydrangeas offer peaceful, elegant luxury. This modern outdoor living space features a modern infinity pool overlooking the ocean. A white sectional sofa, rustic table, and cascading purple flowers create luxurious tranquility. A tranquil courtyard boasts an infinity pool and a stucco archway facing the ocean. Lush foliage, white blooming flowers, and patio seating evoke deep, peaceful relaxation. This modern gray stucco house displays a wooden double door, white window awnings, and black lanterns. Potted topiaries and manicured hedges line the bright gravel walkway perfectly. A luxurious swimming pool spans a manicured lawn lined with stepping stones and vibrant pink hydrangeas. Chaise lounges invite leisurely relaxation beside the tranquil ocean bay. This sun-drenched backyard oasis features a rectangular swimming pool, lush grass, and pink hydrangeas. A white patio with seating perfectly frames the tranquil blue ocean. A beautiful white colonial house boasts a welcoming front porch with classic columns. Lush green ivy and vibrant flowering hydrangeas perfectly enhance this serene coastal setting. A charming white building with a terracotta roof features symmetric window awnings and dark shutters. Lush bushes and potted urns line the inviting gravel entrance walkway. A grand southern mansion displays a wide wraparound porch adorned with hanging ferns. Swaying palm trees and a sparkling blue ocean complete this classic, tranquil landscape. An elegant white stone house showcases double wooden doors and window awnings. A bright gravel pathway lined with spherical topiaries lead toward the serene blue ocean. A classic white wooden house features a wraparound porch overlooking the turquoise ocean. Colorful potted flowers and lush plants beautifully enhance this idyllic coastal vacation scene. A grand, modern white mansion with clean lines and large windows basks in bright sunlight. Prominent columns and manicured green hedges create luxurious, sophisticated, elegant architecture.